VACC's Technical Advisory Service is starting to receive more inquiries about diagnosis, service and repair procedures on hybrid vehicles. This is due to the gradual increase in hybrid vehicles sold over the years, and there are a few easy things you can do to assist in preserving the battery pack's service lifespan. The first hybrid cars officially arrived in Australia in 2001 with the NHW11 Toyota Prius and the first generation Honda Insight, and there has been a slow adoption by the public. It has now been shown that these vehicles are safe, economical and have a long battery lifespan. However, this is dependent on usage and maintenance. Hybrid battery packs house many modules or units which contain the battery cells. Depending on the design, these cells are made up of plates surrounded by a liquid electrolyte. The battery packs are commonly air-cooled with an electric fan which draws air from the vehicle's cabin and blows it through the gaps between the modules. One simple thing you can do during each service is to clean out the battery cooling intake vents with a vacuum cleaner. This will reduce the chance of the battery pack overheating and assist in preserving its operational lifespan. However, don't use shop air to blow into the vents, as this will push dust into the battery and block the gaps between the modules. If a battery overheats, it could cause the modules to fail and log fault codes. This commonly requires a replacement battery pack to resolve. Depending on the car, hybrid battery replacement is not a difficult task, and VACC's Technical Advisory Service has the workshop manuals for many Toyota, Lexus and Honda hybrid vehicles to assist with safety precautions and removal procedures. So you could consider replacing a hybrid battery like fitting a reconditioned engine or transmission in a conventional vehicle. I recently visited the team at Hybrid Battery Rebuild in Lilydale, where they test, grade and match individual modules to others with similar readings to make up a complete battery pack. These would then be charged and discharged to balance their voltages and finally reassembled to create a rebuilt battery pack. It is recommended that members of the automotive trade put in the time and effort to learn about the operation and component functions of hybrid drive systems. This knowledge will allow you to safely and efficiently service and repair this increasingly popular vehicle type for maximum battery life and trouble-free motoring. For more information on hybrid vehicles, see the March 2021 issue of Tech Talk, log on to VACC's MotorTech or call VACC's Technical Advisory Service.